Ow. We're here. I see the electricity, but I'll be honest, it looks a little bit bigger than normal. We're gonna need a bigger boat. Oh dear. Okay, so let's watch this. That looks like it would... It looks like it could hurt someone. Oh, I don't like that. It was just thunder. I think it teleported me to the middle platform. Ah! It's a ball of lightning! Oh! Holy crap. Dude. I've seen it before, but... Boy, that is one nasty bug. Oh, I'm missing my opportunity. Kill it. Bite it. It's... I'm not even gonna say anything. Okay. Come on, can I please, camera? Crap, I'm missing my opportunities right now. I'm sorry for the noises. I just don't want to have to fight this thing multiple times. Why can it swim so well? How does it swim so well? That actually doesn't make sense. I'm missing my opportunities. Never mind. Don't touch me. Come on, do it! Oh, I missed it. No. I wasn't close enough for my, like, I don't know, my claws or something to grab onto it. Boom. Definitely close enough. However, I got an extra hit off on it, so maybe it's dead. Get up! You fart! Don't! No! I'm gonna be so ticked. Kill it. Let me just jump off the surface of this water. Yeah, that made sense. Whatever. Also, my battery's on this thing's about to die, so I'm gonna have to do some wonky wonk. Sit at an angle like this. Well, that sucked. It went well. Don't get me wrong. But if I never see it again, that's cool. Cross-legged, man. It's the style of champions. The vessel of light is full of tears, and light's been returned to the area. Whoa. Let's get this bread. You make sure to get that last fused shadow now. Yeah, leave it to me. Oh, see you later. I get it now, it's a snake. I couldn't actually remember what this guardian spirit guy was, so... Snake makes a lot of sense, considering the statues and everything. My name is Laneiru. Your efforts have at last restored each of us light spirits in Hyrule. O hero chosen by the gods. The dark power that you seek. It waits in a temple set in the bed of Lake Helia. But before seeking it, you must now bear witness to something, and never forget it. Ooh. You must know that it was the will of the goddesses that we lock away that forbidden power. When all was chaos, the goddesses descended and gave order and life to the world. They granted power equally to all who dwelt in the light, and then returned it to the heavens. The lands where the goddesses descended came to be known as the Sacred Realm. For ages, the people lived at ease, content in mind and body. Then they got greedy. Dang humans. Soon, word of the Sacred Realm spread through Hyrule, and a great battle ensued. Fool! You are already dead. Why are they so pixely? Among those living in the light, interlopers who excelled at magic appeared. Wielding powerful sorcery, they tried to establish dominion over the Sacred Realm. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. It was then that the goddesses ordered us 3 light spirits to intervene. We sealed away the great magic those individuals had mastered. You know this magic. Hey, that looks like Minda's helmet. It is the dark power you seek, the fused shadow. O hero chosen by the goddesses, beware. Those who do not know the danger of wielding power will, before long, be ruled over by it. Never forget that. It's heckin' creepy, man. The dark power that you seek is within the sleeping lakebed temple in Lakelia. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's get back into it. Doing the water temple, I think. I'm not sure exactly where we are, but... No, we're like right outside, right? Aha, there are a few things. So clearly, since I know my girlfriend is in Hyrule Town, or whatever it's called. Oh, shiny. Since I know my girlfriend is in Hyrule City, something. What is it called? Whatever. The city. We're gonna go there, talk to her. How do I get out of here? Ooh! I missed that. Oh well. Can't get it now. Currently. What is that over there? Oh, there's so many things. I don't even know if I finished my sentence. There are so many things going on right now. We're gonna go talk to my girlfriend. And then she'll know things. Like what to do. I am a member of the Zora tribe. Proud people who care for Lakelia. Well, you did a bang-up job of it before, jeepers. The other Zoras are all on guard patrol at the bottom of the lake. Are they, though? Also, why do I hear incessant flapping? Oh. Hello. Oh, a human. I'm Plum. Perfect. I wish I could see you. But I don't need to talk to humans. Fair enough. Do what you will. Excuse me, clown guy. Some of the Zoras are still alive down under there. I thought maybe they dried up along with the lake. Hey, buddy, have you heard? There's like a temple or something at the bottom of the lake. They put on such airs with all their rituals and fancy temple hoo-ha, then they just disappear. And what's with putting that temple so deep that humans can't swim there? I swear, those Zoras. Oh, are you a customer? Oh, yes. You are one lucky fella. The height of excitement, the thrill of launching to the heavens, the very peak of flying fascination, or fantastication. It can be yours, fella, for just limited time only and without waiting in line. It's a paltry 10 rupees. It's a Black Friday deal, clearly. What do you say, buddy of mine? Want to give it a shot? Special repairs, what? What? Got a cannon you want me to repair, bud? Oh, where is it? I can't repair it unless you bring it here. So what'll it be? Oh, yeah, let's go. I don't know why that's an option. Welcome, fella, and right this way. I can't make my face look like his. He had his lip, like, all the way down there. Fantastic. Fantastication, as he would say. Let's go. Oh, what do you want? Whoa, that reminds me of something. Didn't the late Queen in Zora's domain ask you to do something? She asked us to find her son, the one who's been missing since he headed for Hyrule Castle. I think she said something about granting you some special power if you rescued him. Heck yeah, Midna, thanks for reminding me. If the final piece of fused shadow is on the bottom of Lake Hylia, then it looks like we're going to need that ability. Ah yes, because it happens to be deep enough that humans can't swim down there. Good ladder climbing abilities. Okay, Tyrol. You know what? Punk. That was supposed to do a thing. There more? Come on. It's supposed to do a thing. Okay, well. So in theory, at least, if you kill a ton of the Raven guys, they're supposed to drop a bunch of rupees. I think I broke it, though, because I didn't aggro the first guy. Rip. Big sword in hand. If only I could shoot arrows while running at the same time, you'd be so dead, my dude. What's up, dog? That was a bad joke. Ah! Attacks me. That was well earned on my part. Yes, yes, hello. We meet again. There we go, okay. It appears your efforts have begun to return some vigor to Hyrule, but it is far too early to relax. Do you feel ready to earn another hidden skill to steel yourself for the forthcoming battles against more powerful foes? Definitely. Very well. But before we begin, I must test you to ensure you have mastered the last skill I taught you, the shield attack. Ooh, now then come at me. Ah! Huh. I just needed to smack him, I didn't need to stab him as well. Excellent. It appears you are certainly capable of performing my lost art. Very well. My third hidden skill is... drumroll. The backslice. Haha. Let it be hewn into your mind. Hone. Yes. I'm gonna stab you in the back. A mere shield attack is no match for an enemy protected not just by a shield, but by a thick, full-body coat of armor. Such enemies are often focused on guarding against frequent frontal attacks. They often leave their rear unprotected. That is when you ZL target and press A while yada yada to jump and roll around and perform a jumping slice. Like this, except you actually hit them. This is the backslice. Now try it. Sir. Wow. Now do I press A? I don't know. I pressed B there and it worked. Maybe it tells me. It didn't, no. You carry yourself well, but do not forget the proper timing for swinging your sword while you jump. The third hidden skill, the backslice, has been passed on. Yeah. Yeah. You learn the third hidden skill, the backslice. Circle around heavily armored enemies to strike their unguarded rears. Stab them in the butts.